Tenant Pro has become a popular choice in property management software. But before you commit, here are 12 essential things you need to know that could save you time, money, and frustration. Stick around to the end, and we'll share a better alternative you can try for free. First, Tenant Pro offers solid features like tenant screening, rent tracking, and lease management. However, compared to competitors like Buildium or Appfolio, some users find its interface outdated and less intuitive, which can slow down your workflow. Next thing, customization. Tenant Pro lets you tailor certain aspects, but it lacks the depth and flexibility seen in Yardi or Rentec Direct. For larger portfolios, this might limit how you adapt the system to meet your specific needs. Another thing to consider is the learning curve. While Tenant Pro provides a lot of resources, many users report the software isn't as beginner-friendly as other platforms. If you're new to property management, you might find solutions like Hemlane easier to pick up. The fourth thing is pricing. Tenant Pro's cost is reasonable, but features like advanced reporting or integrations may require upgrades. Platforms like Doorloop or Tenant Cloud often include these extras in their base plans, offering better value for small landlords. Next, let's talk about mobile accessibility. Tenant Pro has a mobile app, but its functionality is limited compared to Appfolio's robust mobile tools, which let you handle almost everything on the go. Another key point, customer support. Tenant Pro offers support, but response times and availability sometimes fall short compared to competitors like Buildium, which has round-the-clock assistance and live chat. The seventh thing, integration options. Tenant Pro integrates with QuickBooks, but its overall compatibility with third-party apps is narrower than that of platforms like Rentec Direct, which supports a wider range of tools. Next thing to know, automation. Tenant Pro handles tasks like rent reminders and late fee notifications, but platforms like Propertyware go further with automated marketing and advanced scheduling tools. Ninth point, scalability. Tenant Pro is great for small to mid-sized portfolios, but if you plan to grow significantly, you may outgrow its capabilities. Solutions like Appfolio are better equipped to handle larger operations. Another thing to consider is reporting. While Tenant Pro has basic reporting features, competitors like Yardi provide highly detailed analytics, giving property managers a clearer picture of their financial performance. The 11th thing is security. Tenant Pro is secure, but platforms like Buildium have a more comprehensive approach, including automated backups and multi-factor authentication. Finally, let's address updates and innovation. Tenant Pro releases updates, but they're not as frequent or groundbreaking as what you'll see from competitors like Doorloop, which actively rolls out new features based on user feedback. Tenant Pro is a decent choice for property management, especially for small to mid-sized portfolios. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, user-friendly solution, check out our recommended software. You can try it for free and see the difference yourself.